everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the
Là,